Welcome to the course Bidayuh Language for Beginners. There are 6 units in this course, and in this first unit, you will learn numbers, time, and seasons in Bidayuh. Hi there, my name is Florence, and I will teach you how to count 1 to 10 and tell the time in Bidayuh. We will also talk a little bit about the Bidayuh Harvest Festival, Gawai. So, let's get started. Let's count 1 to 10 in Bidayuh. Say after me. 1. Ni. 2. Dua. 3. Taruh. 4. Pat. 5. Rima. 6. Num. 7. Jut. 8. Mai. 9. Pri. 10. Semang. Let's do that again. Let's count 1 to 10. Ni. Dua. Taruh. Pat. Rima. Enam. Jut. Mai. Pri. Semang. Okay, now why don't you try it yourself? Very good. Now, can you remember what number it is? Aku an taruh book. Aku an rima pen. Aku an semang gam. Excellent. Now, let's talk about time. Let's begin with time of day in Bidayuh. Say after me. Time. Pukor. Day. Endu. Morning. Isan-isan. Sesan. Midday. Noon. Yunandu. Kumbeng. Afternoon. Munga andu. Evening. Singumi andu. Night. Singarub. Next, the days of the week in Bidayuh. Here are both the traditional and modern ways of naming the days in Bidayuh. Monday, Sa, Anundi. Tuesday, Sak, Anu Dua. Wednesday, Nuang, Anu Taruh. Thursday, Nuwing, Anu Pat. Friday, Betuk, Anu Rima. Saturday, Duga, Anu Nem. Sunday, Dugik, Anu Minggu. So, you can just use day, Andu, and counting 1 to 7 to name the days in Bidayuh. Now, let's see if you can tell the day in Bidayuh. Andu kudu ku'u matakskura on Thursday. Nga andu kudu nganre mari ka kapok on Sunday. Nga andu. Moving on to months of the year. In Bidayuh, it is very easy to name the months of the year. Just use the word buran for month, followed by the order or number, that is, counting 1 to 12, like this. January, buran li. February, buran dua. March, buran taruh. April, buran pat. May, buran rima. June, buran enam. July, buran jut. August, bulan Mai. September, bulan Pri. October, bulan Semang. November, bulan Semang Di. December, bulan Semang Dua. This is how we say the date in Bidayuh. Date, Endu bulan. 1st of June 2018. Ni Endu bulan 6. Sewak 2000 semang Mai. Now let's practice. Can you say these dates in Bidayuh? When is your birthday? Well done. Now let's ask for and give the time in Bidayuh. Time is pukor. What is the time? Pukor pukul atik. Pukor, name the time. Pukor 4, 4 o'clock. Let's practice telling the time in Bidayuh. Say after me. Pukor ni. Pukor 2. Pukor taruh. Pukor 4. Pukor 5. Pukor 6. Pukor 7. Pukor mai. Pukor pri. Pukor semang. Pukor semang di. Pukor semang 2. Very good. Now you try it yourself. Very good. Now let's try putting the time with the time of day. Just like this. 7 a.m. Pukor 7 isan-isan. 12 p.m. Pukor semang 2 yunanu or Pukor semang 2 kumeg. 12:40 p.m. Pukor semang 2 40 minit ripas kumeg. 3 p.m. Pukor taruh munga anu. Welcome back. We have come to the last part of this unit where we will talk a little bit about the Bidayuh Harvest Festival, Gawai. I'm going to read a short information text on Gawai. Listen carefully to any reference to time and try to answer the questions that follow. Anu Gawai dog sita ngandi anu buran 6 perang sewa. Bege Dayak meri kak kapong nga taruh peru anu buran 5. Di remin betang di kapong, agi Dayak main gong. Dayak start begawai pukul 7 sesad. When is Gawai celebrated? When do most people go back to the village? What time does Gawai start? Excellent! You have just finished Unit 1. Let's go to the next lesson. See you soon!